square root. In the last video we have studied the trick related to square. In this video we will do the square root. Before starting square root, we have to remind that the square of 1 to 9. From 1, the square of 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 4, 3 is equal to 9, square of 4 is equal to 16, square of 5 25, square of 6 36, square of 7 49, square of 8 64, square of 9 is 81. We all know the square of 1 to 9. Next, we will think that in the square part, what is the unit digits? We have seen the unit digit is consist of 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. No extra element in the unit digit. So, how we can remember this? We will remember this by a easy process. The process is, I will write from 1 to 5 in a top to bottom line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write all these things in a column wise. Next I will write after 5 the 6, 7, 8, 9. That means from 1 to 5 from downwards, after 5, 6 to 9 in upwards. Then I will write 1, 9, the square is equal to 1 because square of 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, so I have to write 6 here, 5 square is 25, so 5 is always 5, we don't have to remember this one. Only we have to remember that if the square place at the unit place is equal to 1, in that square root part I have to write 1 or 9. But what I have to write, either 1 or 9, I will elaborate you later. Similarly, if in place of unit digit it is 9, then when we are getting its square root, I will write either 3 or 7. That depend upon some following steps. I will elaborate it one by one. So we have, the main thing is we have to remember this table. That is in where I have to write 1, 1, 9, 4 place, 2, 1, 8, in place of 9, 3 and 7, in place of 6, 4 and 6. I have to remember all these things. After them, I will do an example, and after the example, you can know it very easily that how to find the square root. Now, we will find the square root. First, we have taken the point. The point is 529. What is the square root of 529? So, first point is I have to write 529. Now, the first step, I have to do its pair from the right hand side. So, right hand side the pair is 29 and 5 is left. In 29, what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 9. So, in place of 9, by finding the square root, I have to write here 9 square root is 3 or 7. So, I have to write whether 3 or 7. So, I have to write 3 and 7 both here. I don't know what will be the answer. 3 and 7 I have written here. Now, the rest part is 5. So, 5 I have written. I know that 5, the perfect square near 5 is 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are the perfect square. So, 4 is equal to 2 square and 9 is equal to 3 square. That means near 5 the perfect square is 4, which is equal to 2 square, and I have written 2 here. So, it is 2 and 2. So, the answer may be 23 or 27. What is the answer? The last point is here. I have to multiply 2 and 3. These 2 points I have to multiply. So, 2 and 3 is equal to 6. But this 6, and in the question the value was 5. I have to compare this 5 is whether less or greater than 6. Since the 5 is less than 6, so here I have to write the smallest number. So, the answer is 23 here. Here, now I will take another example which is equal to 1156. The root over of 1156. Similar case I have to follow. I have to do its pair from the right hand side. So 1156. By pairing I have got 56 and 11. In 56, what is the unit place? Unit place is 6. So in place of 6 I have written 4 and 6 here. So I can write whether 4 and 6. And the next step is in 11. The perfect square near 11 is 9 and 16. So 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square. So 3 square is 9. So I will write 3, which is the smallest in between the 9 and 16. So 3. I will write 3 here and also here. Now I will multiply this 2.3 and 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now 11 is less than 12. So the lesser number is the answer. 34 is the answer. If 11 was greater than 12, then 36 will be the answer. But now 11 is less than 12. The resulting part is greater than the required part. So in the question which number is given, that if the number is less, then the less number is answer. If the number is greater, then the greater number will be the answer. The next number is 2401. So in 2401, I have to do its pairing. So 2401. By pairing, I can get 0, 1 and 24. So 0, 1, the unit place is 1. So in place of 1, the answer will be either 1 or 9. I have written here 1 and 9 both. Now the rest part is 24. In 24, what is the perfect square? Then this is 16 and 25. This is 4 square and 5 square. I have to write 4 because the less number we have to write here. So here is 4 and 4. The answer may be 41 or maybe 49. So the next point is I have to multiply 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Since here the answer is 24. The 24 and 20. 24 is greater than 20. So the greater number will be the answer. So 49 is our answer. And the next point is 4489. So what is the root number of 4489? Which is equal to, I have to do its pairing. So 4489. The unit place is 9 here. So in place of 9, I have written 3 and 7. I have written 3 and 7 here. And the rest part is 44. In 44, the perfect square is 36 and 49. 36 is 6 square, 49 is 7 square. So I have to write 6 here. It is 63 or 67. And next point, the last point is 6 into 7, that is 42. Since here 44 is greater than 42. 44 is greater than 42, so greater number is the answer. So 67 is the answer. The next example is 3969. So root over of 3969. I have to do its pairing. So by pairing, I got here 69 and 39. So 69, what is the unit digit is 9. So in place of 9, I will write 3 or 7. That is 3 or 7. And the rest part is 39. 39. The perfect square here is 6 square and 7 square. 36 and 42. So I will write 6 here. So 6 will be written here and here. The answer, what will be the in between 2? 63 or 67. That means I have to multiply 6 and 7, which is equal to 42. Since 39 is less than 42, so the lesser number is the answer. So 63 is the answer. Next, I will study the fifth 5-digit number, that is a 35344. Same process I have to repeat. 35344. I have to do pairing from the right hand side. So 44. What is the unit digit? Is 4. So in place of 44, the unit digit is 4. So I have to write 2 and 8. So I have written here 2 and 8 here. Now in place of 353, the perfect squarings are 18 square and 19 square. So I will write 18 square here because 18 square is less than 353 and 19 square is greater than. So I have to write the lesser part, that is the 18 square. So I will write 18 in both of the cases. And next point is I will multiply 18 into 19 and the answer is 342. Now we will see 353 and 342. 353 is greater than 342. So the answer is the greatest number, that is the 188. So the square root of the 35344 is equal to 188. Next we will do another two example. The next example is 59049 root over. So root over of 59049. The same process I have to do it, that is I have to do the pairing from the right hand side. So 59049, by pairing I can get 49 and 590. So in 49, what is the unit digit? Is 9. So in case of 9, I have to write 3 and 7. So I have written 3 and 7 here. And the next, the rest part is 590. 590. So the perfect square of 5 near 590 is, I know that 576, which is the square of 24, and 625, which is the square of 25. Here the lesser number is 24, so I will write 24 in both of the cases, that is 24, 243 and 247. And the last point is I have to multiply 25 into 24. So 24 into 25 is equal to 600. So in between 590 and 600, 590 is less number, so the lesser number will be the answer. The answer is 243. I think this point will be clear. And the next point is 95481. So what is the square root of 95481? The same thing, pairing 95481. By pairing we got 81 and the unit place is 1. Since the unit place is 1, I have written 1 and 9. So I have written 1 and 9 here. Next 954. Near 954, we know that the square of 30 and 31 is here. Since 30 square is 900, so it range will be between 30 and 31. So 30 will be the here. So the answer may be 301 or 309. And the last point is I have to multiply 30 and 31. So multiplication of 30 and 31 is equal to 930. So 954 and 930. We know that 954 is greater than 930. So greater number is the answer. So the answer is 309. By this, we have seen that getting the square root is very easy if we got this table, and this table memorization is also not that difficult. We can memorize it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and we are getting it square and the unit place. If we remember this number, then we can easily find out the square root of any 4-digit or 5-digit number. Till now we have studied the square root of a perfect square. If the number is non-perfect, so how can we get its square root? Now I will tell you an easy trick how to get the square root of a non-perfect square. By taking an example, suppose the number is 18. The number is 18. The process is I have to make it this addition or subtraction of a perfect square and another number. We know near 18 the perfect square is 16. So I will write 16 plus 2 here. Clear? So here the point is I have written in case of 18 the number is 16 plus 2. So the next point is I will write the first number root over. The root over of 16 plus what is the rest number is here? 2. I will write it here divided by twice of this number, twice of root over of 16, which is equal to here is 4 plus 2 by 8. So the answer will be 4 plus 0.25, which is equal to 4.25. It is an easy way. And the next point I will write the number is 105. 105. So I will do it the summation of two number. Suppose the one number, the perfect square here is 100. So I will write 100 plus 5 root over. So the same thing I will do the first number root over. So the root over of 100 is equal to 10 plus the rest number 5 divided by twice of the first number. So twice of 10 is equal to 20. So here the answer is 10 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 10 plus 0.25. The answer is 10.25. This is the process. How can you get the square root of a non-perfect square? 18 and 105 are not a perfect square. It is the non-perfect square. The next example I will take it 915. Suppose the number is 915. How can I convert it? 915 can be converted as 900 plus 15. So I will write here 900 plus 15. Now I will do its root over. Now root over of 900 is 30 plus 15 divided by root over of 900 is 30. So 2 into 30 is equal to, similarly 1 by 4 is also coming here. So 30 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 30.25. The next point is 96. So root over of 96. Not only the addition will be take place, we can do it in subtraction also. In the case of 96, I will do subtraction. So here 100 minus 4. So square root of 100 is 10. 10 minus the upper number will be 4 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. So 4 by 20 is equal to 2 by 10, which is equal to 0.2. So here the answer will be 10 minus 0.2, which is equal to 9.8. It is the easy way how to get the root over of a imperfect square. The first step we have to do it, I have to split this number to a perfect square as well as the rest number. And the next step is the perfect square root over will be the first point, and the second point after the addition of subtraction, what we have to do, we have to write the upper number in rest number in the upper side. In the lower side, I have to write twice of this number. By addition, I can get the square root of this imperfect square. In this class, we have studied the square root of a perfect square as well as a non-perfect square. By two different processes, we have studied how to get the square root of a number in a less time in examination hall. How to find a cube root, we will study in the next class. Thank you.